In this video, I'll be talking about my 5 favorite video editing tips in After Effects. Starting out, we're going to open up a new composition and add a new solid. I'm going to change the color to black. Okay. The first tip I'll be sharing is a plugin called VC FX Console. Now, this plugin comes from a company called Video Copilot. The link to this plugin is in the description. But if we press Control Space on any layer, it'll pull up this FX Console bar, and I can look up any effect. Let's just say glow, and it will apply that effect to my composition, to my layer. And as you can see, well, this is a black layer, so it's really not going to apply anything with glow. But if I add, for example, fractal noise, I can look up fractal noise and it will show up. Another cool feature with FX Console is if I want to take a picture of my project and compare it to a different version, I can do the same thing. Control Space, and then select this icon right here, this photo icon, and that'll take a screenshot. And then coming over here, I can look at a screenshot or a picture of what is on my composition. I can compare it to different versions of the same project. For example, here's a previous project that I was working on before, and I wanted to see the difference in the colors of text. Using this method, I could choose which one I liked better. My second tip is increasing or decreasing the speed of our animation. Here I have a quick animation of text moving across the screen. And let's say I want to increase the speed of this entire animation. Now, what I could do is just move the frames individually. It might not match the same position and it might look a little weird. Instead, what I can do is select all of my keyframes, hold the Alt key, then select and drag the last keyframe. And that will change the speed of the entire animation and matching the same position. Now, if I play it back, it goes a little bit faster. The third tip is to help improve your render speeds. Let's say you have an animation or a video and you play it back and the video is all choppy, like this example right here, where the video doesn't play in full speed and it starts slowing down a ton. And the trick is really easy. It'll help you see your video in real time or close to real time. All you have to do is come over here and drop the resolution quality to, let's say, 1/4. Now if I play it back, it's a lot smoother. Tip number 4 is linking objects. Let's say I have a project and I want the text to follow this object. If I move this object around, I want the text to stay and move exactly as this object moves. And all you have to do is come over here to this little swirly tool, click on it, and then drag it and connect it to the object, and the text will be connected. Now if I drag the object around, the text will move with it. My last and final tip is the easy ease tip. If I play this video back, the movement is very jagged. Like, it comes and moves in a linear fashion to where it just hits each corner super aggressively and then just instantly launches off, and it doesn't really look natural. And there's also a very simple trick for this to fix it. You can select all of your keyframes, right click on one of them, come down to Keyframe Assistant, and then select Easy Ease. And that will ease the movement of the keyframes. And we can see this visually by coming over to this graph, selecting Graph Editor, and you can see that it's a curve. And if we go before, look at that, it was all straight lines. Now if I click Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease, they made curved motions. Now if I play my video back, it slows into each corner. So it starts off slow, then launches into the next corner, slows down again, and then launches into the next one. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.